Guys, we're here on meeting with the CEO of Zambian Airline.
How are you? How's everything, young man?
Guys, we just finished a meeting, Zambian Airline. Been very productive. There's a lot of updates you guys will know. That's the CEO himself, guys. The CEO himself, down to earth guy. Let me say this man is down to earth man. You know, he acts like CEO, he speaks like CEO, he thinks like CEO. And now he decided to drive us back. What an honor. God bless you, my brother.
Thank you so much, my brother.
May God keep you long enough.
Amen.
Long enough to see the fruits of what you're doing today.
Amen.
Yes. Keep you safe, you and your family, and everybody who's working with you.
Thank you so much. One love.
One love, one Africa. Thank you so much. I want to appreciate to Zambian Airline for this privilege.